Hello, my name is Piotr Milewski and I am the CEO of Milbor PMC. In this video, we present the TBF Tandem, a labeling machine that eliminates downtime and helps save tens of thousands of euros over the years. It is the perfect solution for fruit and vegetable packaging companies looking to increase efficiency and avoid financial losses. What's important? The TBF Tandem system is highly flexible. Its extensive configuration options allow the machine to be adapted to the specific needs of each production batch. The Tandem labeler enables labeling on both the top and bottom of the package. Why is the TBF Tandem so efficient? Standard labelers with a single head require frequent stops to change label rolls, leading to wasted time and money. TBF Tandem, equipped with 2 or 4 labeling heads, operates without interruptions. When one roll runs out, another head immediately takes over, allowing the operator to replace the labels without stopping production. But what does this mean financially? Every minute of downtime costs money. TBF Tandem eliminates up to 12,000 euros per year in lost operator working time. Why choose the Tandem labeler? No downtime, automatic head switching, intuitive operation, lower operational costs, no losses from production stops, quick label replacement, QRC system reduces changeover time to just 60 seconds, full flexibility, labels various package sizes and integrates with printers. Are you wondering if this is the right solution for your company? Contact us. During a free consultation, we will help you choose the most cost-effective solution to boost your efficiency and increase your profits.